Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I just want to share with you guys if you have facing the problem when you misinput the login when you use the proxy extension. For me, I'm using Proxy Helper, and then if you accidentally you were cancel on this login form on your Google Chrome, it will be leads to you unable to access any website. So let's say I press cancel, and then I'm unable to. Let's say I put Google. Okay, now I'm able using this one, but the thing is sometimes if you accidentally not log into your proxy account, you're able to log into your proxy. The solution is what you have to do. You just go to this manage extension, and let's go to this proxy helpers or any extension proxy that you use. Click details, and then you click remove the extension. But before you remove, you click the source or I mean you click the Chrome Web Store landing page of your proxy. So after you remove the extension and then you install again through this page. So the thing is you have to reinstall your proxy extension. So that's it. The solution if you're facing that your Chrome using proxy not couldn't access any website. So I hope you could get insight from this. I hope this solve your problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.